This is a simple look using autumnal colours. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. So, today's look. This is an autumnal look. It's very, very warm colours. It's a play on a smoky eye. Some of them things that you had in your eyeshadow palette, which you may never use, I'm giving you a chance to use them. It's warm, but it's not bright. Okay, tips for today. When you're doing this makeup, make it light. Do one eye first, then do the other, and then step back. Have a look, see how it's shaping up. You might need to change it slightly. That's what I do as a makeup artist. I have an idea and it will change slightly, so adapt it for yourself. You are the person that this is about. So all I'm going to say is look at the overall face and start to sculpt what looks best for you. Enjoy, guys, and let me know what happens. I'm going to use this cheek colour as a veil of colour for the eyes, just like a base. Then you're going to use this Marc Jacobs bronzer. I'm going to use it as a contour, slightly different. You can always use products in a different way. I'm just going to blend it over the eye, take it onto the cheek, just give you a bit of a glowy flush, but also using it like a contour across the top of the forehead. That just creates a kind of warmth. You just blend it in with your finger. It's super easy. If you need to, not everybody does, but a slight contour down the nose. Now this Anastasia eyebrow freeze is great. You just push the eyebrows up, it really lock them into position. Then I'm going to use this Guerlain palette. Using a nice autumnal colour, a flat brush, just push it into the socket line and blend up towards the eyebrow. This is really easy, guys. You just keep on going over the same place. And then I'm going to use a slightly angled brush to create a deeper socket line with a slightly darker colour, bringing it out to the side. And then just go back in with the same brush and just blend. And that just means making little circles and pulling it out to the side. Then you have a nice soft brown eyeliner dotting in between the lashes. And then pull the same colour used on the lids underneath the lash line just to create a smokiness. Now I'm going back in again and just creating a deeper socket line. As you can see the difference, we've just made this a much more autumnal feel. We're on to the second eye. You can see the way I'm bringing it out to the side. With the eyeliner again, I'm going to push it really into the lashes, then push it in with a dry brush and out to the side. Then bring a whoosh of colour all around the cheeks. Now we're going to move on to the lips. Guys, I do not need to tell you how to put lipstick on. I always do the bottom lip first and then press together. That will always give you your natural lip shape. And over to Neil Moodie on the hair.
Thanks, Wendy. Having spritzed Sisi's hair with Biolage all-in-one coconut infusion multi-benefit leave-in spray, I'm now using the Dyson Supersonic Dryer with the wide tooth comb attachment to stretch out Sisi's type 4 textured hair without damaging it. I'm then creating a victory roll on the one side, securing it with pins to create this asymmetric look, which I think really complements the makeup.
Now I've added a bit more blush to connect the forehead, eyes and cheeks, just to give you that warm autumnal glow. For a quick way to shop all these products used in this video, visit Shop My Shelf. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.